Every year, thousands of people visit the sanctuary for a day of birding. This place is a hotspot for birds due to the many years of hard work and dedication of its owners, Don and Susan. The spring and fall migrations are a big attraction here, but with its many habitats, the sanctuary provides enjoyable birding year-round. A visitor can walk along paths through woodlands, walk paths leading to ponds and open fields. Then stop along the way at one of the many water and feeding stations throughout the property. A visitor will also see the many wonderful contributions made by hundreds of volunteers. With a little patience, one can easily find the many resident and migrating birds of the sanctuary. Many visitors will enjoy the hospitality of the backyard at Warbler's Pond. Here one can sit in the comfort of the shade and wait for the parade of birds to begin. In the surrounding world of lost habitat and with years of drought, there is a sanctuary. Our feathered friends know it well. Here they will come to rest. Some will nest and raise their young, passing along the knowledge of this place. And at this place, they will find an abundance of food. They will find an abundance of water. Along their many journeys, they will return again and again, bringing their families and friends. This place where they know they are safe. Because here they know they are cherished and loved. This place they will call home. They know this place is their sanctuary.